subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Asus has finally launched its new flagship phone in some selected market globally called Asus Zenfone 10, with quiet, cool-looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Asus Zenfone 10 features a compact 5.9-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1100 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 740 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the Zenfone 10 sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony IMX766 sensor, and it supports 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer for stable video recording, and there is 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top left corner, with f2.5 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4300 mAh battery, with 30 watts wired, 15 watts wireless, and 5 watts reverse wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, based on Zen UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 146.5 by 68.1 by 9.4 mm, and it weighs around 172 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Asus Zenfone 10 has been priced in the European market for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at €799, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at €849, and the higher variant with 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at €929. The smartphone will be available for purchase in Aurora Green, Comet White, Eclipse Red, Midnight Black, and Starry Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Asus Zenfone 10 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.